Want to become a professional video editor? If yes, then ThinkNEXT Technologies Private Limited offers a video editing training and placement program designed specifically for students who want to make a career in the dynamic field of video editing. Our expert trainers will guide you through everything you need to know, from the basics to advanced techniques. You will learn Adobe Premiere Pro for professional video editing, Adobe Photoshop for image editing and manipulation, Canva for quick and easy graphic creation, After Effects for motion graphics and visual effects, Camtasia for screen recording and video editing, AI tools for video editing to enhance your workflow and creativity, storyboarding and script writing, video production workflows, editing techniques for different genres, color theory and correction, sound design and mixing, visual effects and compositing, portfolio development and presentation skills, real-world projects and case studies, creative storytelling and narrative techniques, and many more practical skills you will learn here. With our offline and online live classes, expert trainers and hands-on projects, you will become a video editing expert in no time. Don't wait. Join the ThinkNEXT video editing training program today and unlock your creative potential. Call us now or visit us at www.thinknexttraining.com.